Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Myself Lata Patel, I am working as an English teacher in 4th and 5th standard in Shri Vasishtha Vidyalaya. Nowadays we are not able to go to school due to this lockdown situation, but that doesn't mean your study should stop. You all must have downloaded Extra Marks app and must have started studying. And for this I am here with the new topic for 4th standard, that is noun number. So now let's start the new topic, that is noun number, that is singular and plural noun. Okay children, now let's start with the topic, that is noun, singular noun and plural noun. Noun, you all must be knowing what is a noun. A noun refers to one or more than a person, place, thing, that is called a noun. Now let us learn about singular noun. What is singular noun? Name of a one person, one animal, one place or one thing is called a singular noun. For example, we will see that some examples: a boy, a cat, a house, a flower. These all are singular nouns. Now what is plural noun? More than one person, more than one animal, more than one places or more than one things are called plural nouns. We will see examples of this also. Some examples of plural noun, that is boys, cats, houses, flowers. All these are examples of plural nouns. And when we add s to the nouns, they become their plural form. Now, some words which are ending with ch, sh, o, s, double s, x and z. We add es to that words to make their plural forms. We will see the examples of that ending with words with ch, sh, o, s, like that. Like ostrich, ending with ch, it becomes ostriches. We are adding es. Dish, ending word with sh, it becomes dishes. Mango, word ending with o, it becomes mangoes. Bus, word ending with s, it becomes buses. We are adding es. Princess, ending word with double s, it becomes princesses. Fox, it becomes foxes. Quiz, ending with z, it becomes quizzes. Now we will see the words ending with y. The ending word y will change into I and then we will add es to that and it will become a plural form of that word. For example, city, it changes into cities. Y change into I and then adding es. Country, countries. More examples: puppy, it becomes puppy. Y change into I and then adding es, it becomes puppies. Butterfly, y changing into I and adding es, butterflies. Story, y changing into I and then adding es, it becomes stories. Candy, y, it changes into I and then adding es, it becomes candies. Now children, monkey, we don't write monkeys, ies, we don't change monkey into monkeys. It becomes, we just add s and it becomes monkeys. And why we are doing so? Because the letter before the y, that is a vowel, it doesn't change into es. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form by simply adding s. That means we don't change into ies. For example, key, the letter before y is a vowel and it becomes keys. Now the plural form of a noun ends with f or fe. That means the words which are ending with f or fe, we change into ves. That means the words which are ending with f or fe, at the end we change into ves. Like for example, leaf, leaves. Knife, the word changing with fe, it becomes vs, knives. Leaf, the word changing ending with f, it changed into vs, leaves. Wolf, the word ending with f, it changes into wolves, es. Half, the word ending with F, it changes into halves. Now, some nouns have the same form in singular plural. That means they don't change into plural form. They remain the same. For example, like ship. We don't write ships. We change ship only. Hair. We don't write hairs. It's hair only. Deer. We don't change into deers. Deer only. Vision. The same. Vision only. The nouns that do not change their plurals like ship, hair, or deep, or vision, they are called irregular nouns. Now, the nouns which are having vowels in between and we change that vowels, then they become their plural form. For example, men changes into men, men. We don't change into men, men's. We change the vowel in between the word that is A into E, that men. Woman, which call it woman, which don't call women's. Like, so some special cases are also there, like child, it changes into children. We don't write childs or child. For example, one more example, tooth becomes teeth, foot becomes feet, mouse becomes mice. There are some special cases, some special words. You have to remember this type of words. Now children, I have given some assignment. You have to complete these assignments. Okay children, that's all from my side today. I will be back again with the new topics. Until then, you have to complete the assignment which I have given you on today's topic, singular and plural noun, at the end of the video. Okay then, bye for now and take care.